Hello friends, we are going to see part of body. This is our body and it has some parts. Now we start video and get more information about each body part. Head, H-E-A-D, head. Ear, E-A-R, ear. Teeth, T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Lips, L-I-P-S, lips. Neck, N-E-C-K, neck. Eyes, E-Y-E-S, eyes. Nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Hair, H-A-I-R, hair. Chest, C-H-E-S-T, chest. Stomach, S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Hand, H-A-N-D, hand. Fingers, F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. Leg, L-E-G, leg. Foot, F-O-O-T, foot. I-S-T, waist. Thanks for watching my video. Tata, bye bye.